I've actually done here for this particular screen, right? I had to literally do a so okay, let me give you an example of what that means. So I will go here and click on add source, right? And then it will give me the option now to go to desktop capture. You can use smart selection, or you can go to like the tab on whichever one of your browsers. So you notice that this is like for Chrome right here. This is the VLC player that I was using, right? So you can go local if you want, right? So this is literally from your media player, right? So you can throw whatever videos you wanted there, and whatever selection you make, you'll be able to see that pop up on your screen while you're recording. Or you can use the YouTube tab or window, or you can just do a smart selection, right? When you do that, you know, it will obviously show you the dimensions to capture, right? So, you know, just giving you an idea of that. So I'm not sure if you can see it. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't know. But just to, you know, just putting that out there, right? So this is just an example of that. Yeah. Yeah, I don't even know why I have that, but yeah. Yeah, so that's just an example of what would happen there, yeah? Oh, look at that. No, I can't. Alright, no. Here's another cool thing that we need to know, right? These eyes right here, if you click on any one of them, it kind of takes it out of view. So let me do this. Alright, it's kind of delayed, so I'm hoping that it actually works at some point. There you go. Yeah, let me apologize for the delay. And then I'm going to try and click on this one as well, right? So let me see what happens there when I do that. There we go. See? Right. So, yeah, it's a bit delayed. A bit. So again, let me try and bring this back up so we can have a look at, yeah, so, right. So, oh, there's something cool about these three right here. So you have scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. In another video, I will try to show you like the beauty of having something like this. It's really cool when you can take advantage of these. It allows you to compartmentalize, so you can focus on one theme at a time. So scene 1 can be your intro, scene 2 can be your first segment, scene 3 can be your second segment, and scene 4 can be your final segment. And then you can go back to scene 1, play the intro as like your sort of your exit to the show. You know what I mean? So 1, 2, 3, 4, go back to 1, and then of course, you know, you wrap up your show like that, right? So that's kind of cool over here. Let me see what else. I'm trying to think of anything that I am overlooking. Oh no, for the gamers out there, right? You have a choice. You can literally do a smart selection of your gaming window, or you can go straight to game capture where it will auto detect, right? And it will pick up whatever game you decide to bring up. It will bring up that window, and then you'll just click on that, and it will, you know, then whenever you want to record any gaming footage that you're using, then it will just bring up that window and display it to you right then and there, right? This is for, you know, selecting whichever camera that you're going to be using. So you can decide which so you can use the local camera on your laptop or an external camera, right? All right, give me 1 second while I try to get this dog that wants to get out of my room. So give me 1 second while I sort out that. Okay, I'm hoping that this wasn't too bad a tutorial. I guess I think I needed to go through the, you know, the initial part of it there. I'm trying to figure out if there's anything I left out. Did I leave out anything? I don't know. I showed the scenes and the importance of having whichever microphone muted, right? You have the speaker, so you have the computer speaker itself and the microphone, right? I showed that. Yeah, I think anything else I will probably do in another video, because I want to do an example of creating an intro. Not only creating the intro, but creating multiple intros using the same footage, right? You use the same video and you create multiple versions of it, and then of course you can rename your video in particular, because they're going to be named like 2023 underscore xyz da 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 da, and that's not helpful. That's absolutely not helpful. So yeah, I think that's what I want to do. I want to be more, more helpful, right? So here are the rules or the steps. So step number 1, download XSplit Broadcaster. It's honestly, compared to OBS, the learning curve. Wait, why is it saying high CPU usage? Oh no, wicked so. Sure. Anyway, yeah, the learning curve for XSplit compared to OBS, it's like night and day. It's insane. Like I've tried to use OBS and it's just, some people say it's the same. It's like comparing the iOS to Android. It's crazy. It's just crazy. Like there's no way. The iOS is clearly the more difficult UI to engage with, right? I'm rambling, but not too much, right? So in the next video, what I'd like to do is, wait, hold on.